Good day, everybody. My name is Steve and you are watching Dude Hack, and today we're going to talk about what you should not do in your photos. Now, the thing with photos is people just obsess and overthink that that is the one area of your Tinder that is most important. Now, look, don't get me wrong. I'm not going to sit here and say that photos aren't important. Along with your bio, yes, your photos are pretty much one of the most important things. But it really doesn't matter about how you look. It's all about how you present yourself. Now, with that being said, there is so many of these errors that people are making every single fucking day on Tinder. It's happening all the time. I could scroll through the first 5 people on Tinder and I almost guarantee they would have one of these photos. So if you're someone that's just starting out on Tinder, you've been on it for a while, you think maybe there's just one little thing holding you back, make sure that we do watch these videos, because you might surprise yourself in finding that that one photo that you do have included is really fucking you up. Now, before we do get into it, actually, I do want to let you know that this is going to be 6 things that you should not do in your photos, but we are going to be spreading it out over 2 days. Just remember, tomorrow I'm going to be releasing the second part of this video, the other 3 things that you can do. So if you are interested in that video, before we get into things, just go ahead and press subscribe right now. It'll make your life easier, it'll make mine, and let's just do it. Go on, give it a press. Without any further ado, let's just jump into those first 3 things that you definitely should not do in your Tinder photos. Number 1, we've spoken about it sort of briefly in the other video, which I'm going to pop up here. The one thing you should do for 20% more matches. And in that video, we talk about this type of photo that emerged over the last 10 years or so. And this is going to be number 1. It's that photo where you're not looking at the camera, you're not smiling, you're looking down to the ground, looking all serious, or up at the sky, or down, or you're holding a jacket, whatever it is, your face is hidden, you're not showing your full face, your full eyes, you're not looking directly in the camera, and you can sort of barely see who you are. Now, on top of that, what falls into this category as well is super grainy photos. You've got weird filters on there, black and white, and really what it comes down to is you can barely fucking see you. Make sure that they can see a clear picture of you. Even if you're someone that is quite self-conscious about what they look like, chances are that's why you're doing this. That's cool, man. Don't freak out. I've been there as well. The fact is that your match or your potential match is probably going to be more likely to actually give you a swipe when they are seeing the full you for who you are, when we're comparing it to a black and white grainy photo where you could really be anyone. Look at the camera and show your face.
Where's my face?
Number 2, taking your shirt off. Now, there's a lot of debate over this one. First and foremost, let's just get this out of the way. We're talking about shirt off, but first let's talk about selfies. I have seen women on Tinder swiping through, they come across a guy that has a fucking ripped body, 8-pack abs, just a perfect rig, and they will swipe left on him because the very first photo they come across is them in their fucking mum's mirror taking a shirtless selfie. What does that tell your potential match? That you are an egotistical, self-absorbed dickhead trying to show off your abs as the number 1 feature about you. Just don't do it. Now, the second thing that sort of falls into this category is just shirtless photos, full stop. There's a lot of people out there that will just sort of try to sneak in a little photo with their shirt off. And there's certain scenarios where yes, it is okay, but it is also extremely obvious when you're standing there at the beach holding a can of soda or whatever, you're tonsing, and your abs are on full display. Let's just say that if your match actually, you got to the point where you added each other on social media or whatnot, and then they came across maybe one of those photos with your shirt off, hidden down the line. You're proud of your body, you want to show it off, whatever. She comes across that, she's going to be so much more impressed coming across that organically herself, rather than your bloody first photo is you there posing and tensing. Hold it back and realize that that's not the thing that girls are swiping on.
It just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. I tell you, it just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter.
Number 3, photos with animals. Now, yes, photos with animals can be great. A photo next to your dog or a horse or whatever it is can work really well for you. But on the flip side of that, the worst thing you can do, and it's something that I personally even hate when I come across it with women, is taking a photo with a tiger or a lion or something that's been in lockup, in captivity. Most of the time it's been subdued with cruel techniques. Basically, in these tourist destinations overseas, these beautiful exotic animals are drugged so they remain calm and basically don't bite someone's head off while they're taking their cringy selfie next to them. Don't be that dude, number 1, looking like a dickhead in your Tinder photos, but number 2, don't add to this cruelty worldwide. That tiger, that beautiful exotic animal, probably isn't keen to just take photo after photo after photo with tourists. And realize that there's a lot of people out there that might realize that that is pretty damn cruel. So don't let one of those photos that you thought was really unique and cool be one of those things that makes people very, very hastily swipe to the left. Now guys, that was the first 3 things that you definitely shouldn't do on Tinder, in your photos. There is definitely a lot more to come, so keep your eyes peeled. As I said at the top of this video, press subscribe right now so you can get alerted when that video is out. If you did like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it in these early days. But guys, until next time, until tomorrow, I am looking forward to it, and I will see you later.